Okay, today I'm going to give you guys a quick review of the Finger 10 Golf Microfiber Waffle Towel. So here it is. This is the packaging that it comes in. I think it's a really good golf towel. I'm going to clean this club in a little bit with it, put some water on it. It has this part that will clip onto your bag and then extend to, so if you had your bag on a cart or something like that, you have it, pull it out so you can reach, some extra distance with the towel. I like that it has like 3 different slots that this little hoop goes through. So it actually forms like a little hole here almost that you could, like, for example, if you wanted to, like, put through your club. So if you wanted to put it on your bag, or like if you wanted to clean your grips, you could put it through there and clean the grips like that. I think that's really cool. So, you can put it all the way through. If you wanted to, bring it onto the green, you could put it around your clubs, make sure you don't lose it, clean your ball. Let's put some water on here and clean up this club. So absorbs the water nicely, as you can tell when you're on the golf course. You're going to want to wet your towel, clean your clubs with it, and then let's clean the front of this face. Oh yeah, looking nice and shiny. This thing is ready to get hit with a pure shot. Really good golf towel here. Full disclosure, I was sent this product from the company. That was my honest opinion. I think this is a really good, high quality golf towel. That's a review.